Continuing our team coverage on President Trump's nominee to the U.S. Supreme Court, Western Mass News reporter Brissida Landaverde joins us in studio after speaking, Bree, with a legal studies and political science professor on how this could shift the bench. Bree, what can you tell?
Well, Sarah, I spoke to one expert, and he says if Judge Barrett were to be confirmed, the Supreme Court could move forward with a conservative agenda for perhaps decades to come.
Judge Barrett is a Seventh Circuit judge. She has a very conservative background, and she's a really typical appointment that President Trump would make.
President Donald Trump announcing Judge Amy Coney Barrett as his nominee to fill the vacant seat in the wake of Ruth Bader Ginsburg's death. Paul Collins, a legal studies and political science professor at UMass Amherst, expects that Judge Barrett would undo many of the things Judge Ginsburg accomplished throughout her career.
Ruth Bader Ginsburg was a champion of equal rights. I think a court moving forward with Judge Barrett will undo some of the fundamental rights of LGBTQ plus Americans and will certainly restrict access to abortion.
This is President Trump's third time nominating someone to a Supreme Court vacancy. This is something Collins says is highly unusual for a first-term president.
In fact, many recent presidents got no justices. For example, Jimmy Carter. This indicates a fundamental problem with the way we select Supreme Court justices. They seem to fall almost at random at the lap of presidents.
The nomination comes as some senators have said they do not support voting on the nomination of a Supreme Court justice just ahead of the presidential election.
Now we have a situation in which we're ignoring the Merrick Garland precedent. We're going to move forward, as it appears to be, with the Supreme Court appointment, not only in an election year, but less than 40 days before a presidential election.
Collins tells Western Mass News the race to fill the seat could impact how voters turn out in the upcoming November election.
It seems now that Democratic voters care more about a Supreme Court vacancy than do Republican voters. And that could rally them to turn out more, to vote for Joe Biden more.
The confirmation hearing scheduled in the Senate Judiciary Committee for Judge Barrett would begin October 12th with opening statements. The schedule is subject to change if something unexpected happens in the next few weeks. For now, reporting in studio, Brissida Landaverde for Western Mass News.